Hi, my name is Tyler Woodard. I live in Mesa, Arizona, a small community called Lehigh, little equestrian area in North Mesa. I've worked with Seven Peaks a couple of times. The first time they actually built a couple years ago when I bought the house, they built a shade that you see behind me. Even though they transitioned away from that, shades built really well. Next time I used their services or they helped me out a ton was I had an area in the middle of my property that I was trying to fence off, and I wanted to make it kind of a little turnout for now, and eventually it'll be a lit arena when I get to finishing it off. But I didn't want to spend the crazy amount of money you pay when you have somebody come in and build pipe fencing for you. And I saw that they advertising their continuous fence product. So I gave Trevor a call, and Trevor came over the next day and went over what what I'm trying to do, and what he gave me some feedback on what he thought the best way to do it, and how to format it, and what I would need. Gave me a quote, and then I actually, I think within 2-3 days, they brought it, and they brought the continuous fence and delivered it to my house, which was very convenient since I don't have a flatbed. So the actual continuous fence here is behind me. It starts from the corner over there, goes all the way down, and then ends kind of by the house. So it's 155 by 85 little area. The hardest part for me was digging the holes. I rented an auger, and the ground here is clay, so it took me all day to dig the holes for the whole perimeter. Then next day it was easy. With concrete, put the posts in myself. My mom actually came over and helped with that portion of it. And then it came to, after the concrete dried, we went to hang up the actual panels. And my next door neighbor helped me, and actually the two of us, you can do it by yourself, but it's easier with two people. The two of us hung the entire outside perimeter of the arena in less than an hour. Once you get moving, those pieces slide in together really quickly, and I don't weld, so although it's on the other side, but I use the little clips that they give with screws and tap screws, which they provided as well when I bought everything from them. They make gates too, so I have a gate behind me here, a gate there, which I kind of fenced off the area so that there's another little area so that in the summertime the horses can walk back and forth between the shade and the arena area. And then at the far end of the arena, I have two double 10-footers gates so that I can open it up for if I need to drive something in there, a trailer or what have you. Definitely would recommend, and I'm going to use them again. I have fence that I'm going to do the side of the pastures behind me, but I'm going to need more, so I'm going to be ordering more because the back of the property is getting cleaned up, and I'm going to take out all the barbed wire that's there and put in some more of this continuous fence, just because it was such an easy process that I'm going to do more of it. So definitely recommend Trevor and everybody, all the Chandlers over at Seven Peaks. They're not only is their product good, but they're good people, which is really hard to come by, and they're honest. When you work in construction, or construction industry or anything related to that, it's nice to deal with people that are, honest, nice people. So I definitely recommend Seven Peaks for any of your needs. They're good people. Reach out to them.